Innovation looks like this. A technical masterpiece, a symphony of parts and technology. It takes a special crew to maintain this kind of excellence. This is Mac, tech whiz passionate about smart farming. You can count on her for performance. She'll set you with maximum efficiency every farming day. Increased yield, more uptime, even cost savings. Meet Anderson. The kid is smart. He lives and breathes part numbers. He can get his hands on the right parts right away, all genuine AGCO parts. This is Jackson. You name it, he can fix it. Diagnostics, service, maintenance. He knows your machine inside out, and he's surgical in his precision. If it's an eye for detail you're after, you want Holmes. Figures, finance, he's your guy. I've been part of a few crews in my time, but I've never known anyone put a deal together like him. And me? It's my job to make sure your plan always comes together. We make your success our business.